If you're gonna be on YouTube, might as well you make it worth your while. In this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 ways that you could monetize your YouTube channel from the beginning, and no, it doesn't include AdSense. We all know when you're coming over on YouTube, the average person that you hear that talk about YouTube monetization, they tell you about working towards getting those 4,000 watch hours, the 1,000 subscribers, 10 million views on shorts and that sort of stuff. In order for you to be able to pass one of the qualifications to be monetized on YouTube. But I want to share with you that you could do different. You could start monetizing your channel straight off the bat or straight from the beginning as you are getting started on your journey. I'm a big proponent of starting a YouTube channel around something that you're passionate about, because see, chances are if you're passionate about it, you won't get bored doing it. You could find creative ways to go all out with this passion and keep yourself entertained or keep pivoting in this area that you're passionate about. I'm also a big proponent of adding massive value to people and ensuring that you serve them to the best of your ability. And with you adding massive value, sometimes it requires you to take people on a journey, and that journey requires them to work more closely with you. And of course, if it's something that you're passionate about and you have a clear-cut blueprint on how to be able to get someone from point A to point Z, of course, by all means, take them on that journey with you so that they could take the next step. The first way you are able to monetize your YouTube channel from the beginning is setting up a merch store. And this doesn't have to be complicated. It'll be similar to drop shipping. You could use Printify or Printful and get your designs created. Whether you create them in Canva, you could do them yourself. If not, you could buy designs from like Etsy or Creative Marketplace, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to upload those designs on one of those print-on-demand sites that I mentioned earlier. And they're going to give you a storefront depending on the items that you choose, whether it's sweatshirts, hoodies, t-shirts, mugs, and that sort of stuff. You now could promote that storefront in your YouTube video. So for example, if you're someone who like a lot of motivation and that sort of stuff, the spiritual stuff, you now could be putting out your spiritual content, but straight from the beginning, you could have a merch store that have mugs, book covers, journals, that sort of stuff. And you now could personalize it where you have a particular set of scriptures that you use as your signature scriptures, and those will be on the items. What I love about those websites is they give you really cool markups so people are able to see it, right? And let's just say right now you're putting out content out there. You now could then link to your storefront for people to go ahead, check out what it is that you have to offer, right? Now, the beauty with setting that up is that you don't have to worry about dealing with, product inventory and all of that, right? Those websites, they also collect the payments on your behalf. And what they'll do is they'll take a percentage from the sale and then they'll give you the rest of the money, and you could pocket that, because guess what? You're the one who's branding, you're the one who's promoting, and you're the one who is putting it out there. The second way that you're able to monetize your YouTube channel straight from the beginning is affiliate marketing. This may be familiar to some of you, and it also may be new to some of you, but affiliate marketing in a nutshell is you promoting someone else's product and you collect a percentage of it. Now, I like to say, if it is that you're going to do affiliate marketing, you want to promote products that solve a problem for people. Also, you want to promote products that are in high demand, and you also want to promote products that give you a high percentage in terms of the commission. Now, you could go to Google and you could research and find some affiliate programs out there that have a high paying commission. Do your research and your due diligence, but don't just go diving into doing affiliate marketing for affiliate marketing's sake because you're looking at the money. What you want to do is you want to ensure that whatever you're going to connect yourself with, that it aligns with you as an individual. And this is also something that you could see yourself promoting long term. I normally say, if you're going to do affiliate marketing, focus on softwares, focus on systems, focus on toolkits, programs, those sort of resources that are pretty much going to bill you what is called an MRR. And MRR pretty much stands for monthly recurring revenue, so that, you do the work on time, but it's paying you over and over again, because you have some affiliate partnerships that you get paid once per month. Some pay you per transaction, some pay you daily. It all depends on what the rules and the guidelines are. Now, make sure you stick around, because you see the last one that I'm going to share, listen, it's going to be fire and one of my absolute favorite, right? But the third way you're able to monetize your YouTube channel straight off the back is you could offer coaching services. And this doesn't have to be anything that is complicated. You just need to have what is called a 10% edge. Let's just say right now, you're someone who is diverse in a particular area. You have experience and you know it from the inside out. Maybe there's several other people out there who want to get that level of experience, that knowledge, that wisdom, and you just may be the one to fill or to bridge that gap for them because you're now able to step in, offer your services, and you're now able to kind of give them what is called a shortcut because you have a blueprint, you have a framework, and you could coach them through the current level where they are right now to the level where they need to get to. And with that, you could charge yourself a premium price for your services because you have two routes that you could do it. You could do what is called one-on-one sessions, and you could also do what is called group sessions. It's totally up to you how you want to do it. I personally love both groups and one-on-one sessions, and I myself used to do a lot of coaching, and I still do coaching, especially like one-to-one. You get to have that quiet, private space with an individual, with a client, and then you get to really help them peel back the curtain to go to the different layers, get to the root of whatever that block is, and then you now could help them to overcome that, right? Of course, you know, when you want to scale, you do group coaching because see, when people are huddled up in a group, maybe you have some persons that are, of course, different personalities. People are shy. They may not want to ask a question, and you know, working in a group setting, it may help those that are shy to overcome and to get their breakthrough as well. So definitely consider that as an option. The fourth way that you're able to monetize your YouTube channel straight from the beginning is by selling digital downloads. Now, there's two routes that you could go with this. I mean, you could create your own digital download, whether it's a guide, a cheat sheet, a framework, a step-by-step, a hack, whatever it is. You could sell digital downloads, but it needs to solve a problem, right? So you now will have to get to the root of whatever your niche focused area is, and you offer massive value. And in offering the massive value at the end of it, you now could provide your audience with a solution, and that solution is your download. Last, but by no means least, you could promote a digital business franchise and keep 100% of the profits because you see, in the digital marketing space, you're able to get started with what is called a business in a box opportunity, right? Especially in this day and age. And here is why I love this option, and it's my absolute favorite. You're someone who's brand new and you're starting out. You may not know the ins and outs of how to create your own product, right? Whether it's a physical product or a digital product. If you're looking the route of going to create a physical product, there's a lot of testing that has to be done. You have to have the labeling rights. You got to make sure that the formula is to the T. You got to make sure that, hey, there's no sort of chemical reaction or anything whatsoever that is happening out there for the beta testers and whatnot before you even go and launch it out there, right? Of course, you know, you could go ahead and white label a physical product, but you white labeling a physical product, you don't know what sort of effects or anything that is going to come with that. But you see, when it comes to a digital product, you want to get a product that is proven, a product that solves a problem, again, because those who solve the problem, they will be able to generate that money, that cha-ching at the end of the day, right? So you could literally get yourself started with a business in a box franchise, I call it, right? Where just like how you have the KFCs, the McDonald's, the Burger Kings, all of these franchise places, you could get yourself a digital business franchise. The beauty with that is it comes with a system, it comes with a framework, it comes with a step-by-step on how to actually operate the franchise, right? So what you now have to do is kind of put yourself in the mix, and you now start to follow the framework, the system, the step-by-step on how to operate your digital business franchise. And once your franchise generates sales, you get to keep 100% of the profits. Now, I absolutely love that business model because see, you could be learning the hard stuff while you have a business in a box franchise that is out there working for you. And for those of you who may be interested, I'll leave a link in the description for you to check out the business in a box opportunity. Of course, I shared with you 5 different ways, and there's many other ways that you could monetize your YouTube channel. But if you're someone who's just getting started, or even if you are seasoned and you don't have any of those ways implemented as yet, you could pick 1 or 2 and absolutely go all out with it. I know many of you right now, you're probably wondering, how is it that you're going to be able to sell digital downloads or have your system set up and all of this good stuff, right? The beauty with it is that gone are the days of doing hard business, because here now you could do smart business. So for example, if you're selling digital downloads, you could use platforms that I absolutely love, like Stand Stores, Beacons, PayHip, and so many others out there. You could use System.io, one of my absolute favorites out there. Now, some of these platforms, they come at a cost, and others, they come free. Now, with System.io recently launched an update where now you get the opportunity to have a digital store. So you could pretty much have yourself a free System.io account with your digital store that's selling your digital downloads, and you don't necessarily have to scratch your head or worry about all these additional costs or monthly fees that are associated with it. I'll also leave a link in the description for you to get started with a free System.io account. An easy way for you to be able to monetize is very simple. What you're going to do is pick your social media platform, and y'all know what the deal is already. You're watching this on YouTube, so might as well you pick YouTube, because you're going to be doing this for the long haul, right? You want it to be years from now, you're able to still generate income from the content that you are putting out. You pick your social media platform. You have the different options that you want to monetize or generate income from. What you're going to do is now you're going to create content around that product or service, and you'll be able to tap into the global market, because see, your content is going to be able to reach people from all walks of life all around the world, and there's absolutely no limitations. That is the sort of business that you want. That is the sort of business that you want to build. And if all of this sounds like it's too much for you, I'll just leave a link in the description just in case you want to jump on a clarity coaching call with me, and then we'll just go through it from A to Z and knock it out the park. All right. If you're not subscribed to the channel, y'all already know what the deal is. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll definitely see you on the next video.